So there's two things that you have to take in consideration when making a lot of money on the internet, and it's getting a lot of traffic. Yes, you can do it through Facebook, Instagram, whatever method like that, free traffic. But it can take a long time to build up. We've got quite a lot of followers and get money that way. But the thing with paid traffic, you might be on Google Ads, you might be spending $20 a day, which is kind of standard. You're really doing that to get the numbers, the floods of traffic, the thousands of visitors that you want. But even with solo ads, it's really expensive, and you can maybe only afford a few hundred clicks to begin with, and then you're hoping you get a few sales, and then you can reinvest. So the great thing about this is click action traffic, which I've just discovered that it's incredible prices for thousands of clicks, and it's really good just to let you show it started, the one I've got. So here it is. It runs for a month on this particular one, the 2 clicks, so I'm guaranteed 500 clicks. So this is over a month. It's on a rotator system where my business is showing. This man drives a lot of traffic, has a lot of clicks to give out. So I get one, and then the next person gets so on, so on. So you're getting, I'm guaranteed 500 clicks, which will be building my email list and getting sales. Or if it hasn't reached 500 by then it'll continue until I reach that. So that's the traffic. Sorry, that's the traffic in action. So just to back to the start. So it's clickactiontraffic.com, an easy one to remember. So it's providing a lot of traffic, and it's really the most affordable prices I've ever seen. So growing your mailing list, which you should really have a page such as this. So this is a landing page. So someone clicks on here, and then they put in their email, and then it redirects you to the page, and that's how you build your email list. And then we have a done for your email follow-up series. So getting this type of traffic, which are paid next to nothing to get, really, it's you'll be shocked when you see these prices. So as he's got here, without breaking the bank, with high quality top selling traffic. So I'm led to believe that all these packages are not solo ads, they are on a rotator system. So it's quite good. So you're paying next to nothing anyway, really, and you're getting a month's full of traffic. So that one there I've not clicked on yet, but it's 500 unique free clicks. So it's taking you to some other page, but it's not the one that I've looked into. So there is different types of packages, but here it is. So here is his most popular traffic packages. Um, some are quite unusual, but we'll get to this one here. So master traffic pack, get all three of the traffic packages above for one low price plus bonus. So any good marketer will give you something for buying something, save up to $146. So here we get into here. So this is quite insane. The prices usually cents per click might be 35. He's doing it for 2 cents, which is just unheard of. So Philip, the man that's behind it, been on his list for a while. Actually, never really paid much attention to the emails until now. So he's been in the traffic game for 16 years. He's even got free rotators, which is quite unusual. So this is just a bit about him, and we'll get to these prices. So there's some of the bonuses. So here we go. This is just incredible. So 150 clicks for. Sorry, I'm talking rubbish here. 450 clicks at $18. $927 and then $1,800 at $36. These prices could change, so that is just unheard of. And then it's got this sort of page here, uh, the buy-in page. So um, these prices are just incredible. Imagine that 1,800 clicks and what that could do for your business. Bearing in mind that uh, standard 35% opt-in, but even at 10%, it's a lot that can get added to your list. And to make it even better, at this time he's offering 25% with coupon code. These offers could not be available, I suppose, the time you see this video, but certainly it's the one of the best traffic methods I've seen, and at that price it's just incredible. So take a look at this and you're thinking, what would I use this traffic for? Well, if you take a look in the description, we have a business like no other. So come and join us and we'll see you there.